Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Aaron coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, September 26, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 70 degrees. Later today, we're expecting a high of 90 and a low of 56, with partly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Alfonso, Bogdan, Sarah,
Abdul.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Cubs won against the St. Louis Cardinals with a score of 10-2. And the White Sox won against the Los Angeles Angels with a score of 4-2. Clubs meeting today are 6th grade First Lego League in room 208 at 3 o'clock. And tomorrow morning, PBI's ambassadors in the music room at 7:45. Today's announcements are 6th graders, don't forget, today at 4 o'clock is the mile run at Keller Junior High. Hoover Harmonic students, your t-shirt order forms and money are due tomorrow. Today's tip is, be a warrior, not a worrier. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the 6th graders in room 207. Have a 2 Tortilla Tuesday.